Hi guys, today we're going to replace the cabin air filter of the 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. So this is my Santa Fe. And I just bought this at Hyundai here in Canada. Part number. So as you can see, this is the old one. So basically there's two tab in here. It's one tab here, and then so when you open the when you open it like this, there's a tab here to open it widely, and then there's actually some locks on the sides. There's two of them. There's locks on the side, two of them, for here and here. So it's actually from here. So anyway, this is the old filter. See, it's really dusty and black, all the dirt in there. And this is the new genuine air filter. I got this now. You can go to the website and you can claim like what they call it, like a coupon. So I got 15% off. So I got this, the regular price including taxes, $41. I got this for $35 only, including taxes. So how you put it is just basically very easy, like this. And then there's a tab in there here, so you can see there's a arrow in there. Just press the plug and that's it. And then you open it and hold on, and just put it this way. As you can see, the airflow. You can see the airflow there. Just put it like that, and then just slide it in and press a little bit, make sure that it's actually there, and then close it. You can see, you can hear the tab, and then by putting it back, you just have to put this back, this tab. Put it back in like this, press like that, there you go. And then this too. So I just actually here, there you can see the click. So you can see there's something in there. So that's where you put it. And then twist, and then you're gonna hear the click, and that's it. And that's how easy how you replace the cabin air filter of a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. So hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you subscribe and like. Thanks, have a good day. Bye.